Yo, B, where you at? You in your studio doing makeup? Doing makeup?
Hi ladies, it's Beem and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you ladies how to do a cat eye or winged eyeliner. Like, what do you do, or how do you do a winged eyeliner? What it is that you do. Alrighty, so first I want to go ahead, because I've seen a lot of crazy stuff out there. First I want to go ahead and say to you, why are you wearing eyeliner in the first place? What is the reason that you are wearing eyeliner, whether it be bottom or top? So a lot of people also want to know how to do bottom eyeliner. When I say it's so easy, it is so easy, and I really didn't think making a video on how to do bottom eyeliner was worth it. But I'm sure it's so many things you can do, or people you can watch to find out how to do your bottom eyeliner. But what's really tricky, and what a lot of my clients say is, what do I do to get a wing? What do I do, Beem, to get a cat eye? I'm here to tell you how to do that. Okay, so let's start off on why people wear eyeliner. Eyeliner is the cosmetic applied as a line around the eyes to make them appear larger or more noticeable. Boom! So they're wearing liquid eyeliner and doing the cat eye to really help their eye be more noticeable and help them stand out. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys some of my favorite liquid eyeliners to wear, and I only have two right now because these are the ones that I'm always using. Why not tell you? I love liquid eyeliners like this. So what happens is, when you open this one and you see the top like that, it is gonna be a brush tip like this, and that helps you get the wide areas of the eye, and it also helps you fill in the line if you're filling them in, and it helps it to be quick, thicker line there. And why I love these, because most of the times the ones that come like this are mattifying, and they are, how do you say, matte black. This is why I specifically like this liquid liner, because it's mattifying and it's matte black. But this doesn't give me the precision I need. So even though I use this every day, I'm looking for something else to give me some precision. What is going to give me that precision to really help it stand out, be dramatic, and make my eyes more noticeable? So I thought, I need something precise. I need something skinny. I need something precise. So this is what I use to make my line. So this is gonna give me more precision. This is gonna really help me get that wing so cut. It's gonna be so precise. You would have thought I could cut you. That's how we want it. That's how we want it to be. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get the perfect eyeliner using my tools. And I didn't put on my lashes so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So stay tuned, because you're going to get the how to do a cat eye and how to do your lashes. Hold on while I do that. Alright ladies, and I'm back. Okay. Looking here at my eye and the shape of eye that I have, a lot of people don't pay attention to this. There are some people the wings is just not for. And I know one eye that's not for winged eyeliner, and that is a hooded eye. They can do it. Don't get me wrong. They can do it. But that's not something what a cat eye would be favorite to that eye. You know what I'm saying? So they can wear it. Trust me, hooded eyes can wear it, but I don't recommend it. Cat eye for hooded eyes. Now if you do one for hooded eyes, I would do it really thin. But I have something what's called a deep set eye. You see this? You see these corners? That's what you got to pay attention to. You need to pay attention to how your eye is. So this, to be honest, is catered to somebody who has a deep set eye or a lot of room between their eyes. And what I will do first for my eyes is I'm going to take the Stila, you guys shake it up a little bit, the Stila liquid pen. I'm going to go from the end of my eye up, just like that. Up to where I want to make a wing. where I feel comfortable stopping. So I stopped right there. I'm gonna go from the stopping point of this line and retrace back in small, short strokes. Like so. So you see what I have done, right? I have carved out my wing or my cat eye. Now I'm seeing how it's gonna get a little curved. I see it. So I just wanna go ahead and even that curve out a tiny bit where I could be a little bit more triangular. Triangular. So I just wanna go ahead and make that even right there. Boom. To me, that is the perfect triangle, perfect wing for a cat eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you, keep doing smaller strokes all the way to the front of the eye. So I'm just gonna follow where I left off, making short strokes. So you can call this an outline. I want to even it out, so I just want to go ahead and fix that a little bit. And if you're looking, I'm gonna do short strokes all the way to the front. Boom. You have outlined your wing eyeliner, your cat eye. Short strokes, take your time, no need to rush it, and always remember, practice makes perfect. Now remember, I told you before that I used 2 different eyeliners. Voila! This is gonna help us fill in that liquid line that I was already doing. You're gonna go ahead and take this eyeliner and you're gonna fill in that line. You wanna make sure everything is filled in from the lines you made. Don't worry about any mishaps, we can fix that later. So go ahead and fill in any space you see, short strokes, using very short strokes to fill in what we did. Make sure you don't see anything blank. If you happen to have a little mishap right there, a lot of people like to take concealer and go ahead and edge it out. That's fine and dandy. But I'll take a sharp edge right with my finger and just go like so. This is what I like to do. And it's all cleaned up. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do it to the other line, other eye. Yes, honey, that wing, the wing just changes the look. Now, if you don't like wings, wings just ain't for you. But look at that wing, it just changes the whole look. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go from the end of the eye, short strokes, and stop where I feel comfortable stopping. Ahead, and we made that line. I'm gonna go ahead and retrace from that line doing short, small strokes. Like that. That is your wing. This is so easy for beginners and people who do not know how to do a wing or a cat eye. This is the quickest way I learned. This is the easiest way I learned, and this is perfect. If you are starting off and don't know how to do a wing, I recommend carving your liner out. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue, and what I really like to do is follow this in short strokes, making sure the line is even. We're gonna go ahead and follow this line all the way to where our eye starts, right there. Boom. So the best way to do cat eye, a wing, is carve it out first. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the thicker eyeliner I just showed you, and we're gonna do short strokes while filling in the liner. We're filling that bad boy in, evening everything out, and we already have a guideline, so we don't have to do too much. There we go. And I'm just gonna lightly fill in, making sure I'm not missing any blank spots. Ooh, that is it, honey. Wow, that is a wing. That's a damn good wing too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just even everything out. I don't know about you, but I gotta have a precise wing. Ooh. And the good thing is you can look at them and see what you might need to even out. I personally feel like that wing's a little longer, so I'm gonna make this a tiny bit, not too long though. Voila. So now I feel like they're definitely even. So if you're having a problem with the wing being this big, I would say when you are carving it out to definitely see how far to go. So if you're not comfortable going this far, go ahead and stop right there when you do your wing. Wherever you're comfortable going, go from the end of your eye, stop if you're not comfortable with this wing. Don't go so far to carve it out if that's what you like. Me, I love the Nicki Minaj wing. Look, I'm trying to fly away. Oh, that's such a cute wing. Alrighty, ladies. So I waited to do my lashes until the eyeliner was done so that you guys can see how to do a cat eye and how to do a wing. Today I'm going to be applying Beem Beauty lashes in the style Beemiana. And I love these lashes. They're perfect for a lot of people every day. Right amount of volume, right amount of length, not too dramatic. I love these eyelashes. They're like so good. Before you put your eyelashes on, I recommend curling them. Curling your eyelashes. So your lash naturally has a curl to them and you want to make sure you're matching that. So I'm going to go ahead and measure these real quick and make sure they fit my eye. So it looks like I don't have to cut these and that they fit my eye perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the lash glue. Now I'm going to take my tweezers. I love these tweezers. And I am going to apply the lashes to my eyes. Inside the tweezer and I'm holding them like so. I want to have full control. I'm going to go ahead with my tweezer. Make sure I apply it upward. That's how I want my lash to sit. I don't want my lash to sit in like this, straightforward. My eyes is not straightforward. My eyes is curved. Your eyes on a curve, you gotta put your lashes on a curve. You can't just, okay? So we're gonna look down, put our lashes on like a curve. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze these together, making sure that they're blended with my lashes. Oh my goodness, I have to stop and take a picture because I need to show the people on Instagram how your lashes look with lashes and without. Please hold. Before you even move on to the other eye, do the pull test. If your lashes is on, then your lashes is on. Remember, we're going in like so. And we're gonna squeeze them together. I love these lashes. They're my favorite. Thank you so much for watching today. How to do a cat eye, how to do your winged eyeliner, and how to apply lashes. How to apply your lashes. Thank you so much for watching. Now, baby girls, don't make me have to tell you. Just subscribe. This show love, support. Comment your thoughts below.